Hey everyone, welcome back to Positive Energy Channel. Today, I'm bringing you an important Windows 11 update you don't want to miss. Microsoft has released an emergency update called KB5078127. This update fixes problems that started after the January 2026 Windows 11 release. If you've been experiencing frozen apps, file save errors, or Outlook not responding, this update is for you. Here's what happened. The January 2026 Patch Tuesday update caused some unexpected issues. Apps would freeze or crash when opening or saving files in cloud services like OneDrive or Dropbox. And for those using the classic version of Outlook with PST files on OneDrive, the app could completely stop responding and wouldn't reopen until you restarted your PC. Some users also experienced problems signing in through remote desktop, which was partially fixed by a previous out-of-band update. But now, KB5078127 is here to fix the remaining issues and ensure smoother performance. This update applies to Windows 11 versions 25H2 and 24H2. It's available as build 26200.7628 for 25H2 and 26100.7628 for 24H2. Basically, if your system has been acting up recently, this update should fix it. How to install it? Go to Settings, select Windows Update, and now choose Check for Updates. If your PC is affected, the update will appear, and you just click Install. It's that simple. Keeping your system updated is not just about security. It's about peace of mind and smooth performance. No more frozen apps, no more Outlook crashes, and no more cloud file errors. Your workflow will thank you. So, if you've had any of these problems, don't wait. Install KB5078127 today. Stay proactive, stay updated, and stay positive. That's it for this quick update. I hope it helps you avoid frustration and keeps your PC running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more positive energy and tech tips. See you in the next video.